Right guys, today I'm going to show you the carbon centre console. So you can see there we do it in what we call a normal black weave, and then we also do the Italian flag carbon weave as well, which is very nice, but depends on your taste of the car. So we're going to fit this one today. So as always, plenty of tape on the back, get the adhesion promoters primer to put on with it. So obviously we'll get that, and we're going to basically wipe everywhere it sticks, so all the way around here. Just put it on nice and not thick but sparing on there. It goes around there, up there, all the way around. Let's see where else we've got glue. So it's right around the cup holder there, all the way around this, all the way around there, around the outside, and there. Cup holder, that bit, yep, sticks there, and then finally round there, and also in there. So we'll just let that dull off, because the long boring bit about this now is getting this tape off the back of it. So bear with me while I start peeling these. So guys, just the last, if you struggle on these, because this is the awkward bit, hence why I just paused it there and get most of it off. If you struggle, just get yourself on a little blade and obviously just peel them off with that. It is a nightmare to do, it's probably the worst job. And obviously making sure you don't actually peel it off the product, especially when there is in these nooky little bits here. So you can get these on our website. Like I say, we do a couple of different variations. We do loads of carbon stuff for the interior of the Abarths. So have a look through www.KillAllChrome.com. We also do that Italian flag there. We do loads of interior, exterior, carbon, plastic, gloss black plastics and stuff, gear knobs. So if you need anything, just have a look on there. Final two bits now, and I'll stick it on and show you the finished bit. Just showing you there, we do the Italian flag one, which is that, but obviously I'm not going to stick that one. And then the one that I've just prepped, which is the full carbon one. So basically don't stick it on top of sticky bits that you've dropped everywhere. That's the first rule. So you're just going to go down there, make sure it goes over the DC thing there, and then just line it. You'll see it all lines up perfectly basically. So once you're in line there, just give it a good firm press down everywhere. Just make sure it's all stuck. There you go guys.